Welcome to PreMath. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve this cute little puzzle that involves time clocks, mini cars, and calculators. Can you figure out this problem on your own? You may pause the video and take your time. So let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing, we have to be careful and meticulous about the details in this puzzle. So let's focus on the very first row. We have a 3 time clocks, and one of the time clock has a time 3 o'clock, the second one has a 6 o'clock, and the third one is 9 o'clock. So that means if we add 3 plus 6 plus 9, that is going to give us 18. So far so good. Now let's focus on the second row. We got 3 mini cars, as you can see in this figure. The first mini car is labeled as 7, the second one is labeled as 8, and the third one is 9. Let's go ahead and add these numbers. 7 plus 8 plus 9 is going to give us 24. And now let's move on to our third row. We can see we got 3 calculators. And let's focus on the numbers on the calculator. We got 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Same numbers in all 3 calculators. Now let's go ahead and add those numbers. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0, that is going to give us 10. Likewise, second calculator is going to have a 10, and the third one is going to have a 10 as well. If we add 10 plus 10 plus 10 is going to give us 30 indeed. And now let's focus on our last row. We got a 1 time clock plus this 1 calculator times 1 mini car. Now the question mark is what is going to be our outcome. Now based on our observations about the details, we can see the time clock is giving us a time 3 o'clock, isn't it? And then we got a plus sign, just put down plus, and then let's focus on this number on this calculator, which is 2020, 2020. Let's add these digits, 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0. If we add those ones, we are going to get 4, and then we got this times multiplication, and then we got this label number 7, and now the question mark is that is going to be how much. Now let's go ahead and simplify this equation, and we got a plus sign and the multiplication sign. Let's recall order of operations. So always remember our multiplication comes first and then addition. So let's take care of this multiplication, this part first. 4 times 7 is going to be 28, and then this plus 3, that is going to give us 31. So thus our answer turns out to be 31. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.